Hello guys, in this video we will see how to activate your Lorex camera. Setup pairing. First time installation will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step for unbox and power on your camera. Content. Begin by carefully unboxing your Lorex camera, ensuring all components, like the power adapter mounting hardware and any included cables, are present. Connect the camera's power adapter to the camera's power input, then plug the adapter into a standard electrical outlet. Allow a moment for the camera to power up. You may see an LED indicator light turn on or hear a faint click as it initializes. For wireless cameras, ensure they are placed within range of your Wi-Fi router for initial setup, even if the final mounting location is different. Step: install the Lorex Home app and create an account. Content. Before pairing your camera, download and install the Lorex Home app on your smartphone or tablet. The app is available for free on both the Apple App Store for iOS devices and Google Play Store for Android devices. Once installed, open the Lorex Home app and follow the on-screen prompts to create a new Lorex account. This typically involves providing an email address, creating a password, and agreeing to the terms of service. If you already have a Lorex account, simply log in. Step: to connect your camera to your network. Content. With the Lorex Home app open and logged in, tap the icon or Add Device button to begin the setup process. The app will guide you through connecting your camera to your home network. For wired cameras, connect an Ethernet cable from the camera directly to a free LAN port on your router. For wireless cameras, the app will typically prompt you to scan a QR code on the camera. Then connect your phone to the camera's temporary Wi-Fi hotspot or input your home Wi-Fi credentials, set and password. Follow the in-app instructions carefully for your specific camera model. Step: to pair the camera to your Lorex Home account. Content. After successfully connecting your camera to the network, the Lorex Home app will proceed with pairing the device to your account. This often involves waiting a moment for the app to detect the camera. Once detected, you may be prompted to name your camera a front door, living room, and set a strong password for it. If it is not already done, confirm the camera settings within the app, and it should then appear in your device list, indicating it is successfully paired and ready for viewing. Step: finalize installation, position, and test. Content. With the camera paired and confirmed as operational within the Lorex Home app, you can now proceed with its physical installation. Mount the camera securely in your desired location using the provided hardware, ensuring it has a clear, unobstructed view of the area you wish to monitor. Use the Live View feature in the Lorex Home app to adjust the camera's angle and focus for optimal coverage. Finally, test all camera functionalities such as motion detection, two-way talk, if applicable, and recording to ensure everything is working correctly before completing your first-time installation.